I'm Diana Edelman, and on this episode of The Good Fork Bites, we are going inside the kitchen of pots with owner Iman Haggag and learning how to make Egyptian street food. My favorite dish, the Koshari. And then, of course, I'm going to show you some of my absolute favorite dishes here. So we're going to go in the kitchen, check it out, and then, as we do, we're going to go eat. Let's go. We are in the kitchen of pots, and I am here with Iman Haggag, the owner of this amazing little fast casual Egyptian restaurant in town. What are we making today?
Hi, we're doing Koshari. You know what Koshari is? It's the most popular street food in Egypt.
All right.
Everybody eats it.
Okay.
Every corner you find it. Very, very healthy.
It's honestly some of the best food I've ever had in my life. All right, basically you're gonna show me the sauce preparation because the rest of it is basically, it's what, lentils, brown rice?
So it contains rice, lentil, two kinds of pasta, tomato sauce, chickpeas, and topped with a beautiful fried onion.
So basically it's like a warm hug that you eat and never want to stop eating.
I never heard that expression.
It's a warm hug.
It fits.
Okay. How do we make this Koshari sauce for people at home who maybe want to recreate the dish?
So you can always put your own touch, but we use a lot of spices in the Egyptian cuisine.
Okay.
So what we have here is that we have tomato juice.
How much tomato juice do you use for a dish?
That's 4.
Okay, so 4 tomatoes.
Yes. Cumin, coriander, nutmeg, and also bay leaf. These are the main spices that we use, not including the salt and pepper, of course.
Yes. And then you have,
some garlic and vinegar.
I'm just really excited for all the garlic in this dish. I had no idea there was so much. Let's see how we actually assemble all of this goodness together.
So we start with our tomato juice. And you can substitute it. You don't have to, squeeze it from scratch.
What would you buy? Tomato paste?
I would rather puree.
Okay.
It's more thick and more has a body to it. We let it, boil up. And once it does that, we adding our own spices to the whole pot.
Can I just dump it in?
Sure.
No, I mean, is that really what we do? We just dump it?
We don't, because it's gonna splash.
Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay.
But do it smaller.
Okay, so how should I do it?
Just with your finger. Put it.
It's so good.
So once it reduces to about 2/3 of the amount you put it in.
Yep.
And it gets thick and nice.
Okay.
Then a little bit of oil or vegan butter.
Okay.
Let it bubble.
Okay.
Just a little. Heat it up.
Oh, I can't just dump it in?
You can.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. I want to be.
This is oil though.
I want to. Oh yeah, no, that's right. I mean, seeing how often I'm in the kitchen.
You want it sizzling. Get it nice and golden.
So I always burn my garlic,
No.
But how do you not? How can I not burn my garlic?
First observe. You see how it gets translucent on the side?
Yep.
Then you move it up.
Okay.
So you can get all of them to be at the same temperature.
Okay.
You want it dry, nice and golden.
Okay.
You see how it starts to get golden?
Yep. Am I dumping this?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a white vinegar.
Okay.
Get all of this goodness in the pot.
Okay.
Get another little boil, and you have it.
So can we go assemble the Koshari now? We're gonna make this Koshari. I love that you use all recycled products here on behalf of the world.
Compostable.
Even better, compostable. All right, so we start here with brown rice and lentils. Next step is the sauce, which is what we've just made. So this is the regular sauce right here. And then, if you want, which I always want, is this spicy. So what's in this spicy sauce?
So the extra from the regular one is that we add our own peppers.
Oh, so look at that.
You get 3 kinds of pepper. You get cayenne, jalapeno, and aleppo.
Never go wrong with too much pasta sauce.
Chickpeas. You want a protein.
I forgot about the chickpeas. Okay.
And also the more the better.
Okay.
That's a whole bunch.
I'm getting a lot of protein for the day of the fried onions. Now, y'all.
The cherry on top. The onion on top.
The onion. I could literally eat this just as a snack. Can I put a little more on? Okay,
it has to be more.
Okay, good. Because I
Did
really.
you ever came to pasta before?
I do, but I'm afraid that my eyes are just gonna.
Perfect.
Okay, so here we have Koshari.
Originally vegan, originally Egyptian, delicious.
So the first thing I do, mix it up a little because you want those onions everywhere, you know. Get them good in there. All the sauces, mix it up. I like to kind of just bring all the pasta and brown rice and carbs up from the bottom so it's all mixed in. And then load up your fork, as you should. Well, if I can do it correctly. There you go. I got a little bit of everything in this bite. I got mine spicy, so it's gonna tingle your tongue a tiny little bit, but this is my favorite dish. It is the most filling thing I've ever had in my life, and it really is just like a carb lover's absolute dream. So, what exactly is Egyptian food? I'm not gonna lie, I travel all over the world. I've never been to Egypt. I'm pretty sure I've never had Egyptian food. So coming here was a really cool experience for me to try the food that I've never had before. Now, Egyptian food is basically a marriage of Italian, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern cuisines. So you get these beautiful, flavorful dishes with a lot of produce. And truly, this is a cuisine that I can't get enough of. Here, you have the koshari, which is the street food that I am obsessed with and will always get, even if it's just to take home and eat later. If you want something to hold and bite into, you have the cauliflower shawarma. This is a great appetizer. It's falafel samosas, and then we have the platter. And the platter is great if you're a beginner here at Potts, you've never been here, you want to try some Egyptian food, dip your toes in, get the platter. Get something else too, but get the platter. So here is hummus, baba ganoush, pickled eggplant, cauliflower shawarma, salada, falafel, and fresh baked pita bread. We have Egyptian fries, which come with some Egyptian seasoning and a homemade ketchup. And then there's desserts. And folks, Potts has a ton of incredible desserts. This is the halwa brownie with vegan ice cream. It's heaven. So here we have the tahini shake. It is made with dates, chia seeds, plant-based milk. And finally, if you need a little pick-me-up, there is the Turkish coffee. Talk about a little caffeine perk. So this is Potts. I'm gonna dive in.